You look like a pirate. I'm sorry, the screen is in front of the one eye, and you look like a pirate. Hello, I am David with AVADirect, and today we're going to be looking at some pre-built PCs just in time for the holidays. These are pre-built, pre-tested, easy to order, and ready to ship. Now we have 3 tiers of systems, and all 3 of them can be configured in black or white, whatever fits your aesthetic. Now for these systems, our main focus was trying to get you the most performance for your dollar. Now to start with our base tier, it's great for 1080p and 1440p gaming. Comes with a Ryzen 5 7600X, an RTX 4060 Ti, 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM, a 1TB NVMe SSD, and an RGB tower style air cooler. Now for our mid-tier system, which is great for high refresh rate 1440p gaming, we bump it up to a 13700KF, an RTX 4070, 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM, a 1TB NVMe SSD, and an ARGB tower style air cooler. Now for our top tier configuration, we take it to the max with a 13900KF, an RTX 4080, 13 gigs of DDR5 RAM, a 1TB NVMe SSD, and our custom in-house AIO, which will have a video in the future on it. You're going to want to tune in. This might be the AIO for you. Now, all of our pre-built systems go through the exact same rigorous testing that our custom PCs do. These systems are great for the people that want a well-built custom PC, but want the price and convenience of a pre-built. Now, all of these PCs will be available on our site at avadirect.com. No configuration necessary. Just add to the cart, check out, and get it shipped right to you. Thank you for tuning into this video. My name's David, and go ahead and comment down below. What do you think of these systems? Which one would you pick up, and what games would you play on it if you had one of these high-tier systems? I'll see you next week.
If you like the PC in the video, be sure to contact our sales team by emailing sales@avadirect.com or head to the website by clicking the link within the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use the configurator to build the PC of your dreams. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can be notified of future content, and give the video a like in support of our channel. You can follow the variety of our social media channels by visiting avadirect.com/community. And you can also join our Discord if you wish to engage in discussions related to custom-built PCs.
Jazz hands.